She is a dirty, stinking, dirty harlot, nana life, nana belly bottom and a choke back dirty whore. She did not pay nobody to do shit. When the blood clot, she get money for pay blood clot police, and she hungry in a blood clot foreign. She not even can pay liar if you get back her own a blood clot pitney. Whether in a blood clot social worker arms. Are you stupid or on the dunce? Eh? You fucking idiot on the dance. She not even can pay. She not even can pay. Not even can pay for fair pin. She can't even go look. She not even can go blood clot look. One liar for take her pin out of custody. She not even can go rent a room and take her blood clot pit in her yard. She never can send for JR. She can't send for her mama. She never can buy one new couch. So I get money from. When you stop make idiot fool share. Me stop make idiot fool blood clot share them. Tell no things. Chat. I wake up this morning out of my deep blood clot sleep. At GX, me say, run come in here. Run.
Stop it.
Run come in here.
Stop it, yeah.
But 7 of them. Mass up. Mass up. Mass up, come in here. Mass up. So, when I tell me sit on the pan, don't move. So me a grab her for the ground, me a grab her for the gun. Me a grab her fight. Cause me now me wake up on my deep, see me turn max correct. Me can't see good. Me still asleep. Me a grab her for the gun. So me a where I do? So when I tell me I ask them when them a walk, I search the house. See the garbage them, let me know say alright then just a one clean up now. And after that them a search for. Cause I could nothing else. When them a search the house for the garbage, I say alright then round the back need to clean up ASAP. I know me mute you. The people them on the live. The 25 marathon I have. When them must come look for the garbage them were in there. But tell me say alright no, there's a one clean up. You missed that spot there. You missed that spot there in December for clean up. Cause I don't know what I look for the garbage them I look for. After the pussy clad garbage them I look for. Come in a gun girl. You understand? The garbage them I come and look for in here. I wanna beg me no clean up this now, cause full time. Cause I even no come look for the rubbish them in here, yeah. Them I could have 385 people if I am in a business, but don't even care. Come on, me a junker, you know. Nobody no plan nothing. Me not add nobody me a talk out of me mouth. You come for look the gap, you come for look for the garbage them in there. You look alright then. Me take them out today. The garbage them in here, me take them out today. The garbage them in here, me take them out today. Cause after that, you no come for look for. Anyway, now, I wake up out of my deep sleep. You stop talk about pussy clad Shay, no man.
Come on, it's bigger than shit.
This bigger than blood clad Shay. This has nothing to do with blood clad Shay. I don't even want to say too much here, so. This is not even about Shay. This is not about Shay, not a Shay. Just see the video on TikTok, I want enough of for her thinking self. She send police to me when you can't spend blood clot police. You can't pay a liar. Forget your blood clot pin out of where she there. See? You say you send them come here. How will give the moment to the highlight of your life moment? You like big moment. Come to my Rosealee a big moment. I want me living at the dump. Me's a big moment. Yeah? When you say moment, I mean, the only TikTok I want to live now. What hours that a big moment. Want to talk about me. Wow's a wow moment. Shay. You claim to say. You send police come on me. That's how we have to let people them say no. Right? Okay. How comes you can't go look a room for rent and take your two put them on your foot? Eh? What chef is still on pay 8 police and look how police are licky. Look how the dog to them to the dog them are past there. To the junker them there. Look how the junker them licky. Eh? Oh shit, I got pay police and look how police licky. I want page over your post it. Them not pay nobody nothing. I want page over your post it and then take it out and put it on them head. Especially Shay. Cause Shay want to me know you want you about mountain. But after when I'm right mountain, I'm comment you mute or block them. Me now use mountain. I don't give a fuck what mountain wanna post. Me now use mountain. Mountain will never be a Rosealee. All I'm gonna do is a mix up dirty, nasty, thinking fly. What about Nagala because he mix up and him is a man. That give a Batman image. What not about mountain for? No, you're not about mountain. Me know why you're not about blood clam. Me know why you're about mountain. Me know why you're about mountain. Me a mountain a friend. Me business about mountain. You understand? Share my karma, a police read me this man, your karma, you're not going to see your kids them for your lifetime because you're careless. Yeah. So anyway, no gun pint this morning. Police, you know. Video me and post me, police. Video me and post me, police. Nikki that's the demo band, police. The video, police. Them are laughing at the background, police. Cause the police, man, I make me know, say, me if I put on my clothes and come with him, I'm saying, I'm not gonna hold you know. Me not gonna hold you know. Put on your clothes now and come with us. So it look like, say, him the want me get up. Put on my clothes, film video it, he send it out. So me whenever that Andrew Owners still long I take people tax money and I pay them for. You the Prime Minister, Mr. And you know share out the life more well for people over here. Share to all the executive I want to know. Me want to know that the Prime Minister Jamaica. Me want this go viral. Me want them post up this. Me want to know that the Prime Minister of Jamaica appear only from the JDS force to do. Walk around that people's space. Go on them out, tell life on them and then video them naked and put them on the internet. And that me want to know. The JCF force. And that me want to know. If I that una get paid for. Me go places, you know. Me go places already. I mean I talk what me I do. Cause me have to get some answers. Me have to get some good answers. It's not gonna go like Sikiana. Wanna member the force and alive and I know our mama can't get justice and so I all the while no do it. Jamaica's constabulary force slack. All the while no do it. It's not the first no do it. You know always walk around in the inner city community, kick down the young man them door them. door, it a shake. We not always going at the inner city them. Kick down the young man board them. We not always going at the inner city. We not always going at the inner city. Kick down the young men doors them. 20, 21, 22, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We don't kick them door down. Kick them door. Them lie down, them with them be mad, and kick down them door. I analyze them. I want to get to with it. And I that you know, sit down and make people that vote for, people that vote for no. Whether Labour Party or PNP. And when Andrew Holness, the government, when Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, gonna make that stop. Uno, as police, on the force, drive fear in the young youths them, turn them in a gunman. Yeah. Because what? Uno not give them a breathing space. Uno not give them a breathing space. Yeah. Uno as police, can now look stripe. From Blink come and see if you have peer problem. In past me all last time, I know what him send them. Me know what him send them. Me know how you send them, Papa. Me know how you send them. Yeah. I'm glad I find them. I find the rubbish spot them. But finally find out some of the rubbish them and take them out. It's you send them. You. Because from last night y'all run down people. You send them. You. Yeah. Take them and go post them up on them when you can't tear down the platform. I want Mr. Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, do for the youth them here. Jamaica is not a safe place. That's why when some of them run or go foreign, no cure, me not done, no come off my page. But I have to block that page there. Nobody send them. Them come and dig up and ask say, for people name. Nobody send them. Them come and dig up and ask the people name. I ask me before if them know people. Nobody, them do it already, you know. Blink do it already to somebody with in here, you know. Same blood clot procedure, you know. And they can't do it again. Yeah. So I take the rubbish them, we don't know. One ask them about pussy clot, blood clot door. Like we door for blood clot, do it blood clot me. We can't buy door in the blood clot time and me buy that door there. Me not in a door worries. And me buy that door there, me not in a blood clot door worries. We in the front over there. So we can get the door spray. More the door for blood clot spray. Me not in a door worries. The big pussy girl. No come to me about a living can blood clot this shan. Come. Yeah, I like time. 1 hour I come to about certain things. Go buy a light, man. But blood clot door. Me only in a door story. Me only in a living blood clot arrangement pussy clot story. If I'm wearing my pair, you know, if I wear my pair waiting for come do my blood clot sink, ask him, see him there. I'm gonna have just have a time. I pay him a long time to come do over the sink. If I'm pay for come do the sink, I buy the sink, I take out the sink, and buy a sink. And pay him, you know how long? Almost 3 months now. For some reason, I don't have time. I don't find myself have time for that. I'm busy with one blood clot laugh. I not fight for fame, I not fight for money. Oh. But I like that for me. What am about pussy clot door? If I want door, I not go buy blood clot door. If I want door, I can buy door. If I want door, I can buy door. I inside of me house sit there. That a me, I in my house problem that. The more I do, I can go buy door and I'm a house me there. That a me and my house problem that. You not right? You do alright? You do alright? The fact that you come in my house and video me naked and have the audacity to put on social media. You not like somebody doing, you like nobody for the police them do it, you know. You not like somebody doing no mama so. You know what somebody do no mother so? I saw you treat people even when they are prison. You treat us like dogs. You treat dirty. I don't want class on fire. I don't want class on. I don't want class on. But so when we wear the blue uniform, I saw you treat Jamaican people like trash. Because now we are blue uniform. I may wonder what Andrew own this. I gotta tell you, said this trip when we have vote. Jamaica people need to wise up and stop vote for them in a parliament. Stop take them 30 and them 20 in a hat and clothes. Stop take them 20 and them 30 and them 40,000 in a clothes and hat. For vote for them. And that's what I vote for. This is what you're voting for. For one who have a pit and put in the group so them treat them. And you ask you know. We have to stop, vote. And then at the end of the day, we have a bird to pit to them, and we bird to pit to them. We don't want to take them innocent life and say them a gunman. We do it all the while. I want to don't see the youths them with gun. I want to don't see the youths them with gun. We now always come take them, now always come analyze them and plant gun upon them and say, you don't see gun. This is what we do all the while. Of course, I can't take a lie. You shouldn't ask me that, miss. I not run a joke. Put up me naked on social media. I mean, in my house well contented. In my dirty door. We can't blood clot by during the time. And I can't move any time too. But then that me I talk about. Yeah, I want to know. What? Them do have no. You know, you me explain that. Me explain to you slowly. Like me that talk too fast and ignorant. This man when I lie down in there asleep, and I can say my baby father run come in with beer police. About 6 or 7 of them. Pan gun point with flashlight. Gun point so with flashlights. One at a time I grab the police gun. Cause my friend, I see them a pint up gun point, I grab the gun all time and grab the gun all time and grab it. Grab it. Them search and them search and them search and them search. Them search and them search and them search. For the rubbish them and tell me take them out. Cause after that them a search for. Right? Them say them don't need no warrant. Them don't need no warrant. Them a invade one sting. You understand? Since last night, me no want come explain everything to you, you know. Cause this is not you this trip. So me know when you take accountability. This is a different story from you, bitch. Me know when you come take no accountability for look too enough. Don't come take no accountability. You understand? Cause everything enough up in our accountability. I saw me sleep when I sleep in a clothes. Me sleep naked when I go on my bed, me sleep in a clothes. I saw me sleep. So when you want come take pride and dry, I say, yeah, karma don't reach me 2 pin in there my foot. You understand? Me 2 pin in there my foot. And if the door all in my house and my private space that is not somebody from outer road come visit and put up, is a police do it. A police. So tell enough up in my story. How can police come here yard, put you on gunpoint, video you post you naked and you gonna talk about karma? What sense that make? What sense that make? That make any sense? The police them was laughing in the background. When they hear the laughter and the police them a laugh. It's no neighbor, and the police them a laugh. Some don't know why you think you're gonna get out tight, girl. You're sick. You're sick, Shay. You're sick and very is a obsessed. Cause me know what me say about you, would say nothing. Me would be the one to even come on the internet, come say, I have saw this and this like you were there. You're obsessed. You're an obsessed girl, Shay. I'm down the woman. Because you're broke. I tell you that one slide there. You're broke. You are very broke. I will beg, I will live, I will eat. You, me they have foreign and live now. Me they have, and the government home living, I know. Me they have Jamaica living now where me catch, and you they have foreign living in a government house. So the two will not live no life. You're very obsessive. Yes, auntie.